I'm going to show you guys how we find some solid crypto gems, brand new coins on pretty much any crypto blockchain or ecosystem. These coins have huge potential to explode and list on tier 1 exchanges like Binance or Coinbase. I'm going to show you guys a few strategies on Dexscreener. Let's get right into it. For checking out the channel. Every day we put out a new video about cryptocurrency education, markets, giveaways, and more. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on any content. Now, let's go to the moon. If you haven't heard of Dexscreener, I'm going to put you guys on. So this is a huge resource because they allow you to dive into so many different blockchain ecosystems. Like, check this out right here. Look at the list. This is so much. Like, I love dextools and what they offer, but they're just lacking on the amount of integrations they have. Aside from that, dextools slays Dexscreener, but they have a ton of blockchain ecosystems which we can actually hop in and start navigating and looking for new coins. So let's look into how to use Dexscreener. This is the front page right now, and this is just coins that are we're looking at the last hour. We can change this to 24 hours. So now we're looking at the most transacted coins in terms of transactions. We can change that to price, volume. There's price change here. So 5 minute, 1 hour, 6 hour, 24 hour, liquidity, and market cap. So you can do the opposite and look at which coins were actually transacted the least in 24 hours, or traded the least in terms of volume, or down the most in terms of price change or liquidity and market cap. And then you could start, working the list the other way and start looking at pretty much low interest coins. So that's like the first strategy, very basic, just on the front page right here. I don't really do that much. You can see here, right here, we have watch list and alerts. I won't skip the search. This is a basic search bar where you can type in any coin and it'll pop up on any of the networks if it's there. So let's go into trends. We'll set up watch list and I'll go into alerts on the way down. So let's get into alerts. You can see here it says 29 trends have been spotted in the last hour. Follow us on Twitter or join our Telegram channels and stay up to date. So you can just kind of view them yourself here and you can see this. So Avalanche, Trader Joe, ICE, price is down 21% in the last 6 hours. And then you can see all the information here. So if you see a huge decrease in a coin, it might be the chance to jump in. And if you see like the same coin or the trend for another coin that's going upwards, you might want to check out what the interest is. So you can check all trends here and it'll take you to a Telegram page, and then you could join that Telegram page and you'll get constant trend notifications. So this is the one of my favorite ones right here, new pairs and Nanocaps. So I'm very excited to share that with you guys. New pairs, these are literally new coins that are being listed on decentralized exchanges like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and for a new coin to, I think, show up here, it needs to have some sort of liquidity. So liquidity means somebody's able to actually trade that coin and buy and sell and not just kind of get stuck with it. So you can see here in terms of age, these are brand new coins. Look at this, 13 minutes ago, 17 minutes ago, 27 minutes ago, 28 minutes ago, 37, 45, 45, 54. And you have access to all this right now. You don't need to wait for some sort of whitelist or IDO. I mean, you have direct access to buy them. They might not turn out to be good or any decent at all. This is literally just the first step. Getting onto Dexscreener, finding a strategy. When you find that coin, you either have a few different approaches. You can look at their chart, but pretty much they're brand new charts. So technical analysis won't really give you the most out of your skills, like in terms of looking for the next price point. You're going to want to look into the team, into the coin. Is it a meme coin? What kind of utility do they have? What kind of technology are they offering? Is it just, like I said, is it just a meme coin? Whatever it may be, you kind of need a reason, or you're not going to just throw in $100 or $1,000 into every random coin you see here, because there's so many coming out every day. Like, look at this. I don't know how many this is, but I would say close to a thousand coins a day. maybe even more. So you can look at coins that are being listed on decentralized exchanges, and then you can start researching those coins. So this is a great way to look at them. You can see at volume, brand new coins, so new pairs, and you can check it by volume. I like to look at liquidity and market cap. I want there to be, a decent size amount of liquidity, and then I want the market cap to be somewhat smaller, so I have a lot of room to ride it upwards as well, especially if that, if it's like a gaming or metaverse trend, and then you can kind of compare some of the higher tokens or market cap tokens with the one you're jumping into and seeing like the maximum amount of gains that's possible, and you can kind of compare it with other games that are scattered along in terms of market cap, if that makes sense. So Nanocaps, and you can just, I know there's people, researchers who scan pretty much every new coin coming out, and they'll have a research team and they'll look into it. This is very profitable. You just need that 100x or that 1000x, and these are the coins. Like this is where to find them. Nanocaps here, I love this one because this is showing you coins under $1 million in market cap. So market cap pretty tiny, and you have a lot of room to grow. I mean, if it hits $1 billion market cap, that's a huge trade. So you can see here, these are like $500 in market cap. So what that means is this is $470. If I put up $470 and I, bought the coin or whatever, I bought $470 right here, I would double their market cap. I would double the price. So you can see, like, what if somebody put $10,000, or what if, it turned into $1 million market cap? The price would explode. So here is a different type of strategy where you're looking for low market cap coins. Obviously, they still need to have some sort of utility. Even if it's a meme coin, it needs to be a decent meme coin, right? There's so many coins coming out right now. You don't want to just buy random coins without any reason and then become a bag holder because they've dropped 50, 60, 70, 80%. You can see the list of new coins. There's an abundance of coins coming every day. Like it's just crazy. So Dexscreener is very awesome. So let's click one of these coins as well. I haven't even shown you this. This is one of the biggest things, that the reasons why I love using Dexscreener and even dextools, so I can see a chart. As a trader, you get to these protocols, you get to these dApps, they're very bare. It's just a swap interface, and you can only just swap back and forth. You don't see the recent trades. You can't add it to my watch list or set price alerts. It's not as pretty as this. You don't get the full trading experience. Also, like I said, as a trader, I need a chart. I need to see where I'm buying. I need to plan out where I want to sell, and, have a stop loss in mind, all of that stuff. I mean, if it's a brand new coin, you're probably not using a stop loss, and you're just entering a decent amount that you're willing to lose, as 99% of these coins won't make it. So let's pick a coin on new pair. Let's go to, screw it, we'll just do the most volume. So this Bunnyverse right here, Bunnyverse is up 6,000% already. Awesome. So it looks like we missed that. But let's add that to our watch list. So you can see right here, now we've built a watch list, and it's going to be here. And if we can actually click this as well, and we can check out our watch list, and then we can see all the information about it. So you can add a ton of coins to your watch list, which we'll do actually. So let's go to Binance Smart Chain, and we'll add another coin as well. But we haven't even touched on these blockchains. So we'll go back to Ethereum actually, because I wanted to mention, then you can see the popular dexes here. So once again, that stands for decentralized exchanges: Uniswap, SushiSwap, ShibaSwap, and DeFi Swap. And honestly, I can't believe TempleDAO's there. We did a video on TempleDAO like 3 months ago, and TempleDAO's crushing it. That was a brand new coin, community-driven coin, and it's just awesome. Check out TempleDAO. It's releasing in the next week or two, I believe. I haven't had the most time to be active and watch with their opening ceremony and things like that. But TempleDAO, huge. That was on the channel as well. Anyways, you can see all the popular decentralized exchanges here, and then you can search specifically Ethereum ecosystem only or Binance Smart Chain ecosystem only, and then you can start looking at that blockchain specifically and start looking for gems. And you know what? If you find some gems, don't forget to share them. We do our best to find them, share them, and then educate people on how to do the whole process. So don't forget to share. Let's get right into Binance Smart Chain. We are going to click a random coin and we are going to add this to our watch list. Something I forgot to mention is that they can allow you to trade directly on PancakeSwap, and then you can do a search on Twitter and Google as well. You can see all the information here. Scan on StaySafe, scan on Token Sniffer, and you can trade directly on PancakeSwap. It'll take you directly there and pretty much to any exchange. So I'll show you guys that as well on Polygon. We'll add another watch list right here for this random coin. And you can see trade on QuickSwap. It'll bring you to the most popular exchange on that blockchain. And then you can do your trade right there. You can learn how to use the technology. I also wanted to point out, if you don't have that blockchain added to your MetaMask, you can go to chainlist.org and you can add that network. So we just went to Polygon. You can see that the Polygon mainnet is right here. We can connect our wallet and then we can add it. So this is chainlist.org. If you need to add one of the blockchains right here, they have all of them. So let's go to Avalanche. I'm going to actually search up this coin right here. My friend sent it to me and he said, I found this gem using Dexscreener. Just put in a little bit. And what I mean a little bit is less than 1% of your net worth or your trading capital, because these high risk coins, yes, the reward is so high, but majority of them fail. So why would you bet your farm on them? It is on Avalanche. This is DAX or DAX. Not sure how it's said. I think I like DAX better. But let's go ahead and look at this. So this is exploded. Exploded in price, liquidity 39K, market cap $1 million. Let's add that to the watch list. And we didn't go over price alerts, which is very handy. You'll need to enable notifications, and it's pretty much as easy as that. And then enter your price alerts. I don't enable any notifications on my MacBook, so I'll let you guys figure that out. Very easy to do. Let's go on to Trader Joe and actually make a transaction now. So we've used the resource Dexscreener. We found the coin, and now we're shooting over to the Trader Joe Avalanche blockchain to make this transaction. So switch to the Avalanche chain. Majority of these dexes will ask you to do so, and we'll actually just import the blockchain for you. Very easy to do so. So we have some DAI, which is a stable coin. We're going to put basically $1,200 into DAX. I'm going to raise the price by 6%. Let's do it anyways. The swap has a price impact of 5%, and we are going to do that anyways. AVAX super cheap. That's why we use these networks. There's a ton of opportunities. Sometimes they're more efficient. Most of the times they're cheaper, and just has a ton of value to offer to you guys. So that's this quick video on Dexscreener, how to find gems, a few strategies on how to find them, adding these gems to your watch list so you can just snipe them if they move down in price, or you can just keep, actively watching them. So I hope you guys got some value from this. If you have any questions about Dexscreener or anything about the crypto world, post them below. I'll see you guys tomorrow.